Hi everybody. Winter's getting close and I think I'm going to have some time to work on the Mousestang. This is the 70 Mustang Fastback that I got. It's a complete car, but it does need some work. The engine's all there. The engine's supposedly rebuilt and has less than 5,000 miles on it. It's all here. I'll show you. This is pretty much untouched. I had it hauled to my house months and months ago and it's just been sitting. Other projects have taken priority. But it's a complete car, and I'll kind of go through the box of parts that I got with the car, and we should be able to piece this small block back together, and I'll walk through it as I do it so you can see progress. The goal is to have this thing on the road by the spring. I'll have another video coming out here in the next few weeks, and it'll just kind of have a list, order of operations I'm going to run through, and then I'll actually be doing the work as well to get this motor up and ready to run. Now let's go out here and we're going to look at the parts that I got in the box. The car's not much of a puzzle. It's pretty close to being ready to go. Alright. I just laid all the parts out. It literally all fits in one box, which is great. Oh, there's a little DX hatchback. Super clean under the hood, all stock. Alright, we've got the power steering pump and the bracketry. We've got radiator hoses. There are some new belts, which is great. We have the 1850 carburetor. I bought this rebuild kit. We've got random starter solenoid. We've got a bracket, the crank pulley. We have radiator brackets. We have random spark plug wire organization. Some's on the car, some's not. A random fuel filter. I do have a brand new aluminum water pump that I got for a sweet deal. There's an air filter of some sort. There's a velocity stack that probably needs to make its way onto that 63 Chevy big block. Fan, lots of random bolts. Some of those go to the truck actually. 1 out of 2 export braces. I started organizing bolts for this project, so we've got the motor mount bolts and then a bunch of header bolts. Here's a sweet sword grip oil dipstick topper. I think that has to be used. Dipstick tube. Random assortment of spark plug wires. There are a bunch on the car as well. New bolts. Some vacuum advance cap. 7 spark plugs. A lot of lug nuts. Random Ford distributors. And then some things that have yet to be discovered. Looks like the middle of the steering wheel that I don't have. Part of a toilet. No, that's something else. Hydraulic pressure line. No idea. And then there's this thing that's painted blue. Don't know what that was used for. As you can see, there's a project, but it's not bad at all. So I think I'll be able to tackle it in a couple of sessions, and I'll put it all probably in 1 or 2 videos. But I want to keep these things moving. I want to stop sending minivan videos to all you guys. So that's what I've been working on lately, because people have them and we drive the crap out of them and they break.